The project is a construction of a walking track on the far south coast down at Wallaga Lake. This is a significant headland to the Wallaga Lake Indigenous community. Back in the day it was a ceremonial area. There's bunan rings out here as well as burials areas. Also there's women's areas over on the southern side of the headland.
The existing track that was there needed a lot of maintenance. But at the same time, Council made a very good decision to get some input from the local Aboriginal community.
Bega Valley Shire Council has a memorandum of understanding with the Merriman's Lalk and the other Lalks in the Shire to increase employment opportunities for Aboriginal people within the Shire, and also to involve Aboriginal people in the management of significant sites.
I'm working on local sites too, and yeah, if you see something wrong you can let the people know who you're working for. Yeah, learned how to drive the excavator. Yeah, I haven't done that before.
It gave them a lot of input in how these places and areas are managed, so they had a lot more input into the design of the track and the upgrade, and especially when it comes to the cultural knowledge that'll be placed on the signage.
Well, we're doing the Great South Coast Walk at Marana Point, a series of natural service trails and some structures as well, including a 40-metre boardwalk here that weaves between the trees, and a couple of viewing platforms poised up on a cliff. It's pretty hard in regional New South Wales to find steady employment. If we can step in any of our regional projects to help that, then that's what we do.
It gives them a good opportunity to express what that area means to our people, but it also at the same time it gives them that skill and that training, which is most important to a lot of our communities.
Yeah, it's been good. Yeah, like working around the local area, around prom and all that.